cooking, Keith?
We're going to have poached eggs and poached eggs on crumpets.
On crumpets? You'll be in French?
Yes.
Okay.
Got the eggs, boiling some water. Crumpets are in there.
Hold on a minute, didn't get that. Crumpets are in where?
Crumpets are in there, but they're not on yet because I don't think they'll take long. First of all, let's get some water boiling. It might be a while because it's cold.
Water.
Right.
Ready to boil.
Getting that boiling.
Rich monkey with...
crumpets.
And we have...
eggs. So what we're doing is poached eggs on crumpets. So got to wait for the water to boil. So come back in a few minutes and we'll take it from there.
Well, for the next part of this process, we're going to need 2 mugs.
While we're waiting for the water to cook, we're getting the crumpets going in the ridge monkey. Smoking a bit, but we're just waiting for the water to go on a rolling boil.
I can guarantee that I know what somebody will be saying now, because he says it in every video he watches of us cooking. Mr. Bertolini will be saying, just turn the gas down. As he always does.
We're getting there with those. We're waiting for this to boil. And a watch pot never boils.
It's getting there. Steaming. If you've ever cooked poached eggs in a pan of boiling water, you know what a mess it can make. And if you're in a campervan and you've got limited facilities for washing up, or you don't want to use a load of water for washing up, then
you don't want to lose half your egg white.
Yeah, that's true. Then we've got the perfect answer.
And they are poaches.
And that's how we cook poached eggs in the van. All they are
like filter papers. That's why we need the cups. You just pop them in there, and when your water's ready, pop your egg in, and then transfer it to the boiling water. 2 minutes, is it?
About 3, I think it says, isn't it?
Takes 5 minutes. So the water's on a sort of a gentle boil now.
These are proper eggs, because they're eggs from our hens at home.
And as you drop it into the water, it seals round the egg, so it doesn't leak out apparently. Just drop it in the water, it seals around the egg, and there we go. That's obviously...
Keith,
what?
You know what we've not got in the van?
What?
An egg timer.
Right. You'll have to buy one. How often do we boil eggs?
We're not boiling eggs.
And while they're doing, the crumpets are just about done. I've turned those down. And when you think your egg's done, you fish these out. The eggs nearly there, so we'd get the crumpets ready. Ooh, they're warm. They're hot.
Nice bits of proper butter, because you need proper butter on crumpets.
Well, the butters are available.
Well, when you're away, you've got to have a treat, haven't you?
Mm-hmm. And how are you having yours? As a sandwich?
I'm going to have it as a sandwich, yeah. I'm going to have the egg on one and then just sandwich them together.
I'm going to have the egg on one and the other crumpet on the side. I think they should be done.
They're hot, hot, hot.
Again, perhaps they're not quite done. Let's have a look. I think they're done. And one egg.
One egg.
Perhaps tongs to lift them out initially.
Burn your tongue.
Oops.
Oops. Oh, that looks nice and runny.
2 eggs.
I just want salt on mine, please, while I'm holding the camera. Thank you. And what I'm going to do... Oh, look at that, a runny egg.
Very nice. Just right.
So if you want to know the name, they're called Poaches. We bought ours off Amazon, but I do think they're now available in quite a lot of supermarkets as well, or similar versions of them. But nice, and as I say, a clean way of cooking poached eggs, and you can use the water afterwards for washing up.
Just about.
Thanks for watching.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick